Hi everybody. So it's like almost 11:30 p.m. Just got home. I need to pack for a trip because tomorrow morning by like 8 a.m. latest, probably even earlier, I need to be at the airport. However, because I'm going to Lesotho, however, I need to pack a carry-on bag because I don't want to check in any luggage because it's a very short trip and it's also a very short flight. So I'm tired. But because I have to wake up early in the morning and be at the airport so early, I need to pack tonight. I need to pack light because I need to pack carry on. So let's pack together. It is now 23:45. Okay. So I want to show you guys some of the things that I'm gonna be packing because like I said, I want to pack carry on. And I am not necessarily the best flight packer. But again, it's a short flight, it's a short trip. I want to be in and out of both airports, the airport here in South Africa and the airport in Maseru. So these are the two pair of shoes I'm going to bring with me. I always travel with my Crocs. So I'm going to wear this on travel day tomorrow and travel day coming back. And then everything that I will be doing while in Lesotho, I'll be wearing these sneakers. All right. In terms of items of clothing, I will pack this skirt. Why? Because it's long and it's gonna be like warm because it might be extremely cold in Lesotho. And then I'm gonna pack these two formal shirts, a white one and a black one. These pants and probably like this shirt. For coming back, have these jeans to travel in. And then I have like this, sorry, my go-to Slay with K shirt. What I'll also then need to do is to decant or pack travel size or sample size skincare products. Obviously, it might be cold. Then I have a scarf and I have like this jersey scarf situation. Then I'm gonna pack this dress also because like a long sleeve, just in case, and then an extra item. I have this jacket, thrifted from my dad. They are at OR Tambo. It is so cold. It is so cold. It's like 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, I need to tell you guys, I'm having the most challenging travel day so far. I woke up early, but I'm not a morning person, and it shows. I don't know where I left my DJI mic. I'm at the lounge now to quickly eat. I literally have less than 10 minutes to eat. I've rushed to the airport. I hope you can see me, because again, I don't know when or where I misplaced my microphone in the midst of all the chaos. At some point, I couldn't find one of my bank cards. But anyways, if you can't tell in the OR, in front of my room, I didn't able to capture much, but hopefully when I'm on the other side, or from here to the boarding gate, which is not far from here, I'll be able to capture something for you guys. Yeah, challenging morning. I woke up like 6:30. I go to the airport, yeah, around 8:10, and I packed a carry-on bag. And somehow I was like, I need to check it in. Couldn't find the shipping counter for some reason. Then I decided abort mission, stick to the original plan. And I'm rushing to where both for security, um, customs and everything. So now when I eat here, go to the restroom and then go to the gate. And I'll look for my mic once I'm settled on the other side. Hopefully I do not regret home. But anyways, so yeah. I'm basically having mushrooms, hash brown, croissant, like a samosa, and a sausage. And I also sparkling water. They then got 1.5 liters. But anyways, that's just a quick catch up. I've made it to the gate. has arrived. Okay, here we go. That was quick. I'm in Lesotho. Let's do a quick room tour. So here we have the kitchen area. It's also like self-catering as well, right? And you walk in the side already. Let's sort that out. You then have my humble abode, my home away from home for the next few days. Then here, I actually have been pressed to open here, shower. And then when you come up here, I have a place to sit. So beautiful, right? Then the toilet is basically behind this door. This door. So I have 2 minutes before my call starts. In the morning, I did some work on the flight as well, but also at the airport. A little bit at the airport, and then on my flight, and then I arrived. I ate. So now it's 2 p.m. I am about to have my afternoon meetings. They're about to start. So I have 2 minutes before that meeting. And then I have meetings basically from now until 6 p.m. And then at 6 p.m. I'll go for dinner. And then after dinner, I'm gonna prep for tomorrow because it's a big day tomorrow. I don't wanna spoil anything, but yeah, here in Lesotho. And again, I'm truly honored and privileged to be here doing this. Just finished writing a speech for tomorrow because I've got 2 engagements tomorrow. This is the first engagement. I don't want to spoil it for you yet. I'll probably tell you guys tomorrow morning when I'm getting ready to leave. So I'm about to sleep now. But I'm just sitting here and I've just finished writing the final version of my speech or of my remarks for tomorrow's event. And I've numbered it and signed at the bottom of each page, and it had to be handwritten. I wanted to handwrite it, then to type it up. And I just finished signing the last page, which is like page 4. And I'm thinking to myself, I literally just wrote the speech or these remarks or these words that I plan on saying tomorrow. So I'm gonna be there with my Hello Kitty notepad. Who writes a speech to present me? Me. I do that. But yeah, today was travel day, first day in Lesotho. Great first day. A lot of things happening. I've been working the whole day. So I have multiple meetings for other things and other things and other things. So I'm about to retire for the night. I think other things to like freshen up on some other stuff and knowledge, I'll do that in the morning when my mind is like fresh. I'm glad I was able to get this done tonight. So I just set my alarm for like 7 a.m. The event starts at 11. 7 a.m. practice, do some final reading and stuff like that. And then breakfast, and then head over to where this convening is happening, which I'll tell you tomorrow morning. So yeah, good night.